my god, bro. What the fuck, dude? Oh, fuck. This is how we do it, baby. Oh my fucking days. There is shit in my socks, in my shoes, in my fucking pants. Oh my god. It was not a good idea to come in with fucking shorts and slippers, bro. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some nice fucking rash burns after this. Oh my days! My slippers are gonna cut open in half! Yo! Oh my days! Oh my god! Oh my god! My slippers are gonzo! My slippers are actually gonzo. I'm turning around, bro. Look at all this mess! Oh my days, bro! Yo! What on earth are you doing? Dude, my fucking slippers are gone! Holy mother trucker. Jixer Boy and I are not built for this. Well, he is, but not me. Oh, my slipper for real. Oh my god. Bro. What the fuck, dude? Nah, yo, this shit is crazy. Shit is crazy still. Oh, fuck, straight into that tree, bro. No! Yeah! Oh my days, brother. Fuck. Oh my days, brother. This is not a smart idea, bro. Yeah! Oh my god, what is this trail I've made? Yeah, buddy! Yeah. Fuck. Oh, fuck. No. I fucking broke it again.
Well,
Huh?
how bad?
Not that bad. Like I hit that tree and then I just flipped over. Oh fuck. Shit. It's okay. I'll buy him a new one. Should be on this side. You found it?
Oh! Fuck, man.
Bro.
Alright, let's bring it back.
Ah. Bro, that first gear flew on me. What the fuck? Fuck.
You fucking the bike.
Wait. Take this out of here first.
Okay, put it in. Is it in neutral?
Yeah, it's in.
Put it in neutral.
Move forward. No?
No, kick it. There you go.
Wait. This thing fell off.
Okay, stop.
Oh, yeah.
Let me do it.
I got it.
Yo. Just stop. Let me do it. Does it go that way? You're fucking eaten alive. Let's go, I'll just take it. Stay with me.
No, I got it. Here, give it to me. This goes under. So like right over here.
That one's on the bar. It's gotta go over that bar.
To go over or under? Oh, it goes in here, bro. This is the slot.
Slam it in.
No, wait. Just slowly, bro. Oh, the seat has to be lifted. Do you know how to open the seat?
Yeah, keep going. Yep. Keep moving in there.
So this goes under here. Wait. Fuck, dude. Do you know how to open this or no?
No, bro, not without Allen keys and tools and shit.
Fuck, yeah.
Whatever, bring it back, bro. Here's this other fucking black piece comes up.
Wait, can you ride this one back? you mind riding this one back? Now the seat has to be open, bro. Cause you see these two holes?
Oh, it didn't open up to come off, so I'm fucking stand in there somehow.
Oh, fuck that exhaust.
Alright, let's go.
Go ahead of me.
Turn the key on.
Yeah. Go first. Fucking hell, bro.